Oh, tara na. Baby, ready ka na? Ang ganda ng suot mo ah.
I need to choose.
Ha? Oh, akin na si baby. Okay, alika. Sapatos na mama mo. Nantok ba siya? Tulog siya? Tara na. Bye. Bye-bye. Babalik tayo. Sir, sang floor yung The Kids Clinic? Third floor. Okay, let's go. Paan niya. Dito. So mga pre, ito yung second time ni Bika na si Bika. Dito. Ayun. Na mag-ano. Si Sobi pala. Ito yung second time ni Sobi na tuturukan vaccine. Hindi ko alam kung anong vaccine ngayon. Oh, nag-iingay ka na naman. They will wait her.
Pwede na? Yes.
Behave ka na.
Sorry. When did you notice? It's maganda pala here.
Huh? Yeah, that's why.
There's even little like rep you can put, I think, your milk.
Ah, really? Yeah, that's why. It's malinis.
I see there's even to play.
Kapag medyo malaki na. Ang patulog ni Bika, paano?
No, not do it.
Yan. Ang patulog ni Bika. Signature niya.
No, because I'm not
good
good in
ni Sobi yan. Natutulog na siya.
But it really works.
Really?
You cannot do that. Do it. It's like you're saying wish.
Pattern.
Because on my singing, I don't know, it doesn't really work.
Oh,
because my songs are like scary.
Sino ang ibigin ko? Ikaw ba na pangarap ko? O siya bang kumakatok sa puso ko?
Really? Try one. Wag na lang pala. Baka mamaya yung mga baby dito matakot din. Pero malinis talaga dito sa lugar nila. Ayan.
This is very nice clinic to come here with the kids.
Malapit lang kasi din sa amin, walking distance lang. Kaya talagang dito convenient sa amin.
Did they get skinny?
Ha?
Did they get skinny?
Oh, you? Parang hindi nang anak ah.
Hindi.
Hindi.
It's too big.
Ang pait mo na nga, parang hindi na.
Tututuhan niyo, bakit baba?
Kailangan daldal natin dito. Pag mo na. Nagsasagutan kayo ng bata, ha? Sagutan kayo, ha? Sagutin mo rin. Bakit? Natutuwa ako sa kanya.
Let her sleep.
Okay.
Tingnan mo, naglalang.
Lobat eh. Run. Sorry.
P-zone 2 to 3 times a day.
2 to 3 times a day?
Ay, mga pre, after vaccine, behave lang si Sobi. Ano, okay ka na? Ayan, umiyak na. Pinansin natin. Kailangan mo nang ilagay yung patches. Para...
Ayun ba?
Yeah, para maging okay ka agad. Hindi siya makakaramdam ng sakit. But ikaw nga, naglalagay ka rin kaagad, di ba?
No,
Hina-hot compress mo agad.
Let me check in the baby book. I don't think she said right away.
Right away, honey, kasi mamamagayan. Tapos para maayos yung flow ng dugo. Kahit naman tayo kapag ako tinuturukan din
Where is the baby book? Did you even put it back?
Wala. No.
This is what I bought for patches. I saw in TikTok. They use.
Oh my God, nakalimutan. You will just pick it up there na lang.
Forgot our baby book in the doctor. Usually I will send him tomorrow to get it. But I actually think it's fine even if you forgot it. Because all information is in here. Here.
Okay. Let's
Ayan ka na.
Let's have a
Okay.
small quiz. How many drops of paracetamol, baby?
Okay, you need to get the baby book. Wait, we don't know how many drops. I need to chat the doctor. Okay, I failed the test. We are back and we need to also clean here. Fix all of this. We are done living, kaya kailangan prepare to ballot. And Tulin is here, put items that is all that we flex and like clean and ballot new batch.
Tapos uwi na kami.
Yes, tapos we will go home. And our little, this is sleeping. Sleeping in the freezer pa. This mga pre, I always watch lots of TikToks about things like that. And there is like tiny bats. And they have so many cool stuff in tiny bats. Like you can buy patches, kahit ano. And I saw this because before on her first vaccine, I nahihirapan. I didn't know how to make the cold and hot compress. And then when I saw these patches, I put it in the freezer. Now it's cold. No, bakit ginigising mo siya? And let's order food when we get home.
Yummy.
Yan ang gusto ni Bika mga pre. After every live namin, pag uuwi kami sa bahay, ang gusto niya lagi, relax, tapos order ng food lang.
Muragan. No, because now it's hard to cook. Before when we didn't have the kid, I can still cook. And
Yeah,
now
sa
it's a
bagay.
bit,
Pagod kasi.
alanganin oras.
Okay, I understand.
And maragami is not so expensive.
Okay, I understand. I understand it. You don't need to explain. I understand.
Honey,
Oh no.
I don't even have to explain myself to you.
Nakita niyo yan mga pre, papakita ko sa inyo yung before and after niyan. Pag nilinis ko yan lahat. So ang kalalabasan, kasi nakita niyo sobrang kalat, di ba?
Ikaw or kami?
Ayan, so ayan na yung after. Kanina sobrang kalat eh.
No, like this, honey, like this.
Hindi, ayan, pasok ka. O ayan, nakita niyo marumi, di ba? Alis ka. Before, after. So wala na yung kalat.
Baby's joke. We are already home. Oh, Baba. Wait. Excuse me. Forgot about you. The first thing we were gonna do now is Eugene pala. He will gonna go and wash the floor. That's his favorite thing to do. Wash all the floor. I will just help to linis a bit. And then we will eat dinner with marugami. And we also assemble the bed. Ayan yung crib. Bakit ang laki? We are done cleaning everything we needed to clean. Mga pre, Eugene already cleaned his floor. Like super clean. Look at this, mga pre. This is perfect. Mine is sukiyaki and Eugene always orders with sabaw. Plus my karage and my secret sausage. Mga pre, I ordered the bed for Sophie, a different crib, because when she sleeps in her little crib, this space in it, she doesn't have a space. Sometimes she's facing like you will wake up her. She will wake up like her face is like into the wall. Like she's like trying. She needs more space. Basta needs more space. And then I ordered this bed with a mattress. Uy.
May kasama ng mattress yung order mo.
Yeah. So this is a mattress and then there is inside crib. We will assemble it fast, but it's her time to sleep actually. Let's see if we can finish it by her time. We have like 15 minutes. No, okay. No, 30 minutes if she will not cry. No, okay. We will fast forward once it's all open. Just white normal crib. And this is 2 in 1. Parang transformable. Okay, I'm coming, baby. Transformable bed. It will become toddler's bed. You can remove these bars and transform it to toddler bed. And here is the mattress together with bed sheets. It's a fast assemble, pala. Just you need to fix there. It's very fast to finish. You okay here? Okay, honey, 5 more minutes we have till her bedtime. Just gonna put the bed sheets. It's like nice bed and a nice mattress. Where you gonna go again?
I need to do something.
Saan ka pupunta?
I need to get some tools.
Sorry, Tutulog na tayo, Sophie. Chopstick is not...
Pwede mong higpitan.
Here, Sophie, test it out. You can sleep well today. Not masikip, right? Excuse me. There is also very cute Laruan we have here. But of course, when she sleeps, we will remove it. When at night, so that nothing happens. But for now, it's like that, and it's so cool. A big space for Sophie. She can chill now. Right, Sophie? You will like it? She said yes. Especially cute with these toys. Like clouds. Like clouds. She sleeps good that when it's ulan, so it's like she likes rain. Just like me. We are similar. We like rain.
Kasi nung nakaraan mga pre, bless you. Kasi mga pre, nung mga nakaraan araw, dahil siguro medyo malakas na si Sobi, malaki-laki na rin si Sobi, yung maliit na bassinet kanina, nagaan na siya dito, na-stuck na siya dito sa dulo, siguro dahil sobrang liit. And nakaharap siya dun sa pinaka-wall ng bassinet. Kasi, okay. Lilinisin na muna natin to. At ito yung bassinet namin. Siguro tutupiin. Ditiklop naman kasi to. Kaya yun ang kinaganda dito. So linis time muna ulit tayo. And abangan na lang natin si Bigan lumabas dyan. Kasi mamaya yung oras namin dalawa, tea time uli namin after mapatulog si Sobi. Game?
Now! Is it recording?
Yeah. Mga pre-update namin kayo ngayon. Ayan, bagong gising lang si baby. So, ikaw pala mag-update, hindi ko alam eh. Kasi alam mo yung tulog niya eh. Kamusta tulog ni baby? Ako na lang magtatanong.
Just normal. She didn't bump. Even she ikot, there's a lot of space. She was...
umikot. Paano? Nakaganyan siya. Mga pala mga pre, gusto nga pala naming magpasalamat dun sa nagregalo nito kay Baby Sobi. Dun sa mga admin namin sa GC. Maraming salamat. Gusto naming i-shoutout yung mga admin namin. Ayan, shoutout natin yung mga admin natin sa GC. Tagal na natin din yung shoutout mga admin natin.
Shoutout to Maya Tambut. Shoutout to Zed Mendez. Shoutout to Rihan Ayla. Shoutout to Ansiron. Shoutout to Judith Desconde. Shoutout
din pala dun sa mga active na mga nag-chat dun sa GC namin. Ayan.
Shoutout to Jasper John Pacson. Shoutout to March Octiel. Shoutout to Manny Go. Shoutout to Jeniel Golosino. Shoutout sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat dito sa panibagong crib ni baby. Yan. Regalo sa yan. Sabi mo thank you. Thank you. She look like this. Din Masha in the bear. Anong Pilipina? Ano bang kulay ng buhok ni Masha? Blonde.
Blonde ba yun?
I was blonde.
Ano?
I was blonde.
Blonde ka?
Before when I was a baby.
Ah.
Why you also want to be blonde, Sophie? Are you crying?